Thursday evening, the 18th day of January 2018, and I have my Arduino, is it OSCPP version Arduino, which is the with microcontroller board, which is the bottom circuit board. Above it is the OSCPP motor drive and servo shield board, for driving motors and servos. And I'm using both servo outputs, running both servo outputs, and you see that each of these parallax servo motors are sweeping back and forth, from side to side, 180 degrees, to the left, 180 degrees to the right. And if you want to run servo motors, off of the motor shield, which is my stack right here, the Arduino the controller stack. You have to plug it into external power supply, and of course this output right here is 5 volts DC, and what you have to take and do on the motor shield board is you have to set up this jumper here instead of being jumpered from pin 1 to pin 2, you have to jumper it from pin 2 to pin 3 to enable this, the external, power input to, plug in 5 volts DC to provide enough current at 5 volts to power both servo motors. And the program, here we are. The program I am running, TCW 2 Servo 1. Okay, you got integer position is 0, variable to store is servo position. Then you have to do, in your setup, you have to attach servo, the pin 9 to the servo outer. Well, I got this backwards, but anyways, I gotta fix that comment. Then here's your main program: void loop, curly braces, for position 0 to position less than equal to 180, position plus equals 1, which means to increment by 1, increment up, by 1. Then you write my servo right to the servo, my servo, the position. Wait 15 milliseconds. Then write the same to the second servo. Delay another 15 milliseconds. Keep going that for 180 times. And then you do this with it for 180 to greater than equal to 0. Minus equals 1, which means to decrement. Do a decrement from 180 all the way to 0 by 1, each time going through the loop. And then you just write to the servo, first servo, then write to the wait 15 milliseconds, write to the second servo, wait 15 milliseconds. Then it's going to go back to void loop and continue indefinitely. And this is how to take and program control 2 servo motors simultaneously using the Arduino microcontroller.